Of course, you know it. As soon as I finish my setup of my December Traveler's Notebook, this will be on my Patreon. Guess what shows up? It is my Planner Perfect box. I actually thought I wasn't going to be getting one. So I'm very excited that I remembered. I wonder what it looks like. I have no idea. So this is all brand new to me. I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors and open it up. Planner Perfect has a great range of beautiful illustrations that Jenny's done herself over the years, and I'm hoping this is a beautiful creation of hers for Christmas. So this is the card that always comes in your monthly subscription box. It's here, your monthly subscription box, Write a Better Story, designsbyplannerperfect.com. And so this is how it's always lovingly packaged. It has some crinkle paper, makes me feel so festive. It looks like it's a traditional Christmas theme this month. I am not mad about it at all. We're going to go ahead and get everything out of the box, and then we'll dive in one by one. So first off is the washi. I always love seeing the washi and what it is. This looks like it is a traditional garland pattern on a white back washi. Well, it's a beautiful repeating pattern of the bells and just a garland. I can imagine this over a fireplace. How gorgeous. I think this is going to look absolutely lovely. So that's one of the washi tapes. Let's look at the next. I adore nutcrackers. They are so charming. And here is a nice repeat pattern of those nutcrackers. Some in blue uniforms, green, red. Oh, I love the hats. And I love that they're on such a small scale. How fun is that washi tape? Last but not the least, this looks like more of a plaid or a gingham. I'm not sure quite yet. As soon as I open, I will let you know. Here it is. Isn't this gorgeous? It has markings of really, really dark green and red. Oh, it's so pretty. Great, great colors. And they match all classically. Now let's look at the tip-in cards. I love adding these to my journal spreads. I always seem to take them apart. I use them as title pages. I should show you my November title page where I took some of the cards and I made a little title page here in my Planner Perfect journal. And that's what I did with November's. So this is the washi tape, and then these are a couple of those beautiful tip-in cards. So here it is. This is December 2025. You get 6 cards, 2 of each design. So December, little calendar. I'm gonna definitely put that in my planner right away. I don't have anything like that right here in the front, so this will be the perfect addition. How cute. All right, then after that, oh, look at this. So perfect with the A-frame house. So pretty, so pretty. Oh, Merry Christmas, girlfriends. Without our planner besties, I don't know what we would do. Look, this is so sweet. Next up is the Merry Christmas. This is the Nutcracker Ballerina. Oh, how gorgeous is she with her tutu. And the last but not least, it looks like a little mix of a card, candy canes and holly, classic images and thoughts of Christmas. That's beautiful. Let's look at the stickers. You get 4 sheets of stickers, 2 of each design. Oh, look at the reindeer in the corner. How perfect. I love the coffee. Gingerbread. I think I'm going to make gingerbread men this year. I haven't in a long time. Oh, look at the stockings. We have a reindeer and Santa. Gifts. I love a white poinsettia. It's so classy. So those are the 4 sticker sheets. And now we can look at our journal. This is so pretty. Can't wait. Oh, the Christmas edit. Oh, this is fun. She's got a beautiful outfit with a cranberry wreath. And then the back side is just so pretty. Nice little winter scene. I can imagine that being somewhere in Vermont or in the East Coast. Love that. So cute. I love this kit. It just has so many little fun vibes to it. Planner Perfect always hits the right spot. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you are interested in subscribing to Planner Perfect, you can use the code on the screen or, of course, down below. I appreciate your support. Thanks, everyone. Bye.